Hey, international trade has created rights color e-commerce to define the responsibility between buyer and seller. DDP definitions delivery batching paints means the seller is responsible for every time for origin to the buyer's final destination. The seller hundred is all. The buyer only receives the goods. Responsibility. Seller is transportation, export, and import procedure, duty, taser, and or rights until delivery. Buyer pay and rise the goods, minimal involvement in the process.
Transfer. Risk is transfer when the goods arrive at every place in the destination country ready to be unloaded. 5 is the cost. Under the DDP Indicom, all costs are assumed by the seller. Transport, international freight or domestic transportation, custom costs, and duties. This makes it one of the most expensive in commerce for the seller, but more convenient for the buyer. 6 is case study. Export of the cosmetic from L'Oreal from France to Colombia, and distributor in Bogota purchase products under the DDP in commerce, logistic process, production in packaging in French, and transport to the port or airport. From export from French international shipper to Colombia, and import process management in Colombia. Payment of duties, VAT, and customing cost. Finally, delivery to the consumer will here house. The buyer receives the products ready for the sales.
Companies like L'Oreal use the DDP in counter for several strategic reasons. They have experience international trade. They handle less for volumes, which helps optimize costs. They aim to offer of complete door-to-door service in August and to control the entire logistic process, ensuring timing and quality. They improve the customer experience by simplifying the purchasing process. DDP is not only a logistic but also a strategic tool.
Important aspects. To apply DDP in countries like Colombia, the seller must comply with the regulation of DIAN. A customs agent or legal representation may be required. For this reason, this income term is more common in large companies or those with international presence. In conclusion, the DDP income term is characterized by maximum responsibility for the seller, full convenience for the buyer. It is ideal when the goal is to simplify the process for the customer. The use of DDP shows how logistics can buy a competitive advantage.